Conjugation of the verb to exchange in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I exchange. 2. Simple past, I exchanged. 3. Simple future, I will exchange. 4. Present continuous, I am exchanging. 5. Past continuous, I was exchanging. 6. Future continuous, I will be exchanging. 7. Present perfect, I have exchanged. 8. Past perfect, I had exchanged. 9. Future perfect, I will have exchanged. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been exchanging. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been exchanging. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been exchanging. Conjugation of the verb to exchange, he, she, or it. 1. Simple present, he, she, or it, exchanges. 2. Simple past, he, she, or it exchanged. 3. Simple future, he, she, or it will exchange. 4. Present continuous, he, she, or it is exchanging. 5. Past continuous, he, she, or it was exchanging. 6. Future continuous, he, she, or it will be exchanging. 7. Present perfect, he, she, or it has exchanged. 8. Past perfect, he, she, or it had exchanged. 9. Future perfect, he, she, or it will have exchanged. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she, or it has been exchanging. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she, or it had been exchanging. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she, or it will have been exchanging. Conjugation of the verb to exchange, we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we, or they exchange. 2. Simple past, you, we, or they exchanged. 3. Simple future, you, we, or they will exchange. 4. Present continuous, you, we, or they are exchanging. 5. Past continuous, you, we, or they were exchanging. 6. Future continuous, you, we, or they will be exchanging. 7. Present perfect, you, we, or they have exchanged. 8. Past perfect, you, we, or they had exchanged. 9. Future perfect, you, we, or they will have exchanged. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we, or they have been exchanging. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we, or they had been exchanging. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we, or they will have been exchanging.